If a person who was selling tea in railway platform can become the prime minister of a country, then why can't you? If a garbage collector can be one of the world's best cricketer, then why can't you? If a person without any degree, just by working in an petrol pump, can become India's best businessman, then why can't you? If a person being removed from his high school basket playing team can become the world's best basket player, then why can't you? A boy who is selling newspaper earlier can become president of India, then why can't you? If some people who have dropped out from their college can hire the toppers of the same college, then why can't you? A person who has been removed from the newspaper company by saying that he lacks creativity and ideas can design the characters such as Mickey Mouse and make the big company like Disney. Why can't you? If a person whose girlfriend has done breakup with him and blocked him from her mobile and all the social websites can make world's biggest social website, then why can't you? A person who has failed for 1,000 times and invents the light bulb after the 1,000 attempts without losing confidence, then why can't you? If a person who has failed twice in business, going into depression and losing the president election for 8 times and then becoming the president of America at the 9th attempt, then why can't you? If a person being fired from the company that he is working for can become the world's best entrepreneur, then why can't you? If a girl being sexually abused at the age of 9 years and being pregnant at the age of 10 years and being fired from the local TV can win Oscar and earns crores of rupees, then why can't you? A jobless lady who has been divorced from her husband, left behind with taking care of 3 years old baby, despite going into depression, she can write world's greatest novel series, that is Harry Potter series. He is earning $8 per second. That means so much money in a day that she can buy a Lamborghini every day. Then why can't you? If a person whose body is paralyzed, who even cannot move his finger, can become one of the world's best scientists, then why can't you? If a person who drops out college at the age of 19, becoming a bankrupt, can become India's one of the youngest entrepreneur, then why can't you? A person who has become bankrupt twice and broke into depression can establish one of the best car manufacturing company, then why can't you? A person who could not perform well in a comedy group due to his speaking disorder and getting rejected repeatedly for not having a good face and grand body can create one of the best show named Mr. Bean and become one of the best comedian actors in the world, then why can't you? So you can achieve all those which you think and which you wish to. Only thing is you need a spark or fire within you, because nothing is impossible. You are only responsible for all your success or failures. Nobody can bring success for you. It is only you who can bring success for yourself. So identify the power lying within you instead of finding the power outside. Today, whatever you may be, it is the result of your past actions. And what you will become tomorrow is the result of the present actions. Be positive and put all the efforts needed for it. And one fine day, the success will be yours. So all the very best from our side and be the inspiration for upcoming generation.